Good day guys, running into the ESP DIST 001 error on Fortnite for Nintendo Switch. You're not alone. This error usually pops up when the game can't connect to Fortnite service, but don't worry, we will show you the steps to fix. So before changing anything on your end, visit to status.epicgames.com to see if Fortnite servers are down or not. If the servers are having issues, the error is not on your side. So fully power off the Switch. Not just sleep mode, hold the power button, select power options, then turn off. Wait 10 seconds, then power it back on. After that, go to the system settings, internet, test connection, make sure you're getting a stable signal. If using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or restarting it. If the error still shows up, delete Fortnite and reinstall it. If nothing else works, you need to go to the internet settings, your network, change settings, then DNS settings, then manual, and set primary DNS to 8888 and secondary to 8844. This is Google DNS. Save and test again. And that's how you fix Fortnite error on your Nintendo Switch. If this helps, of course, drop a like and subscribe. And guys, happy playing Fortnite for you, of course. Hopefully this helps you out, and thank you for watching.